At Hungry Lion, we strive to be the best loved chicken brand all over Africa. We are in over 7 countries with over 4,000 employees with just over 200 stores operating mostly in Southern Africa. Hungry Lion is proud to be a business that contributes to the success of the societies that we are active in, because serving quality and safe food, although key to our operation, is just one part of our overriding goal. And that is to provide joy to our employees, our customers, and also the local communities through food served with passion. We are extremely fond of using technology to achieve our goals of optimization and making things better and faster. And since our restaurants are spread over vast distances with several borders in between, we need technology to keep all our stores up to date at the same time and ensure that all our policies are applied everywhere accordingly.
Testo Saveris is a fully digital quality management system which replaces your current paper checklists. With a control unit, quality checks are performed digitally and guides the operator through their tasks. Bluetooth-enabled measuring instruments such as thermometers and oil quality testers transfer real measurement values into the system automatically by pressing a button. No manual entries required. Should a measured temperature not meet the specifications, an alarm is triggered and the app immediately guides the operator through corresponding corrective actions.
Since the introduction of Testo Saveris, there's been a significant increase in efficiencies in both my work and that of my team in operations. The goal of operations is operational excellence, and the dashboard view has given us a clear indication on the areas where we need to focus to drive operational excellence. We are now able to increase management capacity in order to manage by exception instead of manage by the rule.
The system is really easy to use and works quicker than filling out paper checklists. I always know what to do next. If something is wrong, I get an alarm and instruction how to fix it. I like it.
We don't use technology just for the sake of it. We use it to get better every single day, because technology creates data, and with data comes insight. Thanks to Testo Saveris, we're able to see the performance of each of our stores in real time and execute the plans to fix the problems at a speed and scale necessary. This not only reduces cost, it helps in striving towards increased customer satisfaction. Costs are always very important to us. Testo has helped us maintain those costs and actually have a couple of cost savings, especially on the oil side. The main benefit I see from a financial point of view is the improved efficiencies and the improvement in customer service and quality product, so that we can do more sales and therefore make more profit.